students, in this video we will learn splitting of cell into multiple cells. Splitting cells refers to dividing the selected cell into multiple new cells. To split a single cell into multiple cells, click anywhere in the cell that is to be split. Click on Layout tab. Select the Split Cells button in the Merge group. The Split Cells dialog box opens. Define the number of required columns and rows into their corresponding boxes. Now click OK. The selected cell splits into specified number of columns and rows. In this way, we can do splitting of cells in MS Word 2013. Thank you.